The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 650cc lineup is a solid pick for those who want a do-it-all motorcycle, comfortable for commuting, capable for weekend rides, safe, and easy to ride. If you crave raw performance and track-focused agility, consider stepping up to larger or more specialized models. Pros, strengths. 1. Smooth and reliable parallel twin engine. The 649cc engine outputs around 67 horsepower and 65 Nm of torque, delivering smooth and manageable power suitable for commuting, beginner, or moderate sport riding. Excellent fuel economy, often over 50 mpg, aided by the economical riding indicator. Comfortable and accessible ergonomics. Upright riding position with a friendly 31 inches seat height makes it suitable for a wide range of riders. Positive reports of comfort for long rides, 500 miles per day, and highway cruising. Versatile and light handling. Slim chassis, 193 kg weight for Ninja, 187 kg weight for Z. With neutral geometry offers agility in traffic and corner carving. Z650 is especially confident for shorter riders, with compact handling praised. Adequate safety tech. Standard dual-channel ABS and Kawasaki traction control, KTRC, with multiple settings. TFT display with Bluetooth, LED lighting, and smartphone app connectivity enhance safety and convenience. Great all-rounder. Suits commuting, sporty weekend rides, and light touring, offering one bike to handle many tasks. Cons, drawbacks, underwhelming heroic power and character. Power delivery is smooth but not exhilarating compared to 600cc inline 4s or more characterful twins. Engine may feel sluggish during aggressive overtaking or highway passes. Basic suspension and brake setup. Ninja uses a non-adjustable 41mm fork and preload adjustable rear shock, which some riders feel is average. Adjusting the rear shock can be inconvenient. Ergonomic limitations for taller riders. Space feels tight for riders over 6 feet, particularly on Z650's narrow bars and compact frame. Ninja's windshield offers moderate wind protection, but highways at 85+ mph may cause buffeting. Bland handling at limits. Some riders report a neutral but uninspiring feel during aggressive cornering on Ninja 650. Z650 offers sharper, more responsive handling for urban riding, but lacks wind protection. Limited long-distance comfort. Features minimal storage space and basic comfort gear, with Ninja's passenger seat being marginal. Kawasaki Ninja 650 recommended if you're seeking a versatile, reliable, and budget-friendly middleweight that is easy to ride daily, great for spirited rides, and well-equipped with safety tech. Consider alternatives if you're after high performance, aggressive handling, or race-level suspension. In that case, look into higher-end models like the Kawasaki ZX6R for sport, or Z900 for more torque.